Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite bunkhouses that's like on the little bit smaller side. So it's a 23-footer. So a lot of times when you get in a smaller size bunk area, there's nowhere to sit besides on the bed or at the dinette. This kind of gives you the option of being able to have a couch on top of that and then not be 26, 28, 29 feet long. So I'm going to show you a few things on the inside and then we'll come back outside. Follow me. All right, right when you walk in this unit, you got a couch right in the front, so a nice comfortable place to sit. Because your bed a lot of times in these things takes up about a third or more of your trailer and you're only using it for part of the day at night. So this here has a couch in place of that with storage underneath it. Then when you want to go to bed at night, it folds flat and then it's pretty easy to flip this bed down. It's full-size queen in this as well too. That folds down and then you have a big huge front window in the front that lets a lot of natural light in here. But all the windows in here all have black night shades that'll cover everything up if you want to make it dark in here as well. And then when you're done for the day sleeping, you flip your bed up and you got all this room in here. So kind of what you'll get in like a 26 to 29 foot bunkhouse, you're getting here in a 23-foot package. Over in the dinette area, you have a U-shaped dinette with a ton of storage underneath it as well. That table can go outside, but there's an additional table on all my Freedom Expresses as well that you can use for outside camping. Now, in the kitchen area, like every other Coachmen product, you have one-piece countertops, tabletops, and your bathroom counter, the outdoor kitchen, all that stuff is always going to have one piece. So no T-molding, no cracks or anything in the edge. This has a counter extension on it as well, but still a good amount of area in cooking prep area as well. 3 burners with a glass range cover and an oven. It all lights up nice LED. They have a TV above here as well that pulls out and swivels, so you can tilt it to the couch bed area or to the dinette if people are sitting there watching TV there. They bumped up the fridge this year to an 8 cubic foot. So they used to do a smaller fridge and now they're up to 8 cubic feet now in those. In the bunk area in the back, you have the wider double bunks with a lot of storage underneath. So you can, give your kids permission to grow a little bit when you get these a little bit bigger bunks. So, it might be fine for 1 year, with some of these small bunks, and then by next year they have a spurt and you have to buy a whole new trailer because they don't fit in them anymore. These having the double bunks make it so it's a little bit more room, or 2 people can sleep in them as well if they like each other enough. Then they both have windows as well with screens, so you can get a nice airflow in there. USB ports, AC ducted back there as well. In the bathroom area, being a Freedom Express, this is a little bit on the higher end side, so you have a porcelain toilet bowl instead of a plastic bowl, and you have a nice big shower tub as well in there with a huge counter space for a bathroom, and you have a medicine cabinet with some additional storage and pantry on the outside. This being a Coachmen product, so we know that one thing they do that's different than most of the stuff in this industry, it has tongue and groove plywood in the floor, not OSB or particle board. Almost all the other stuff out there, all your Keystone products that are similar to this and a lot of other stuff too, is a lot of fake wood and particle board that if it gets wet, it's toast one time. In Oregon, it rains from time to time, if you haven't noticed, especially here in Lane County where we're at. So we try to carry products that hold up a little bit better if they do get wet. Also in the walls they use something called Asdel. If you've seen any of my videos before, or if you've been looking at the Lances as another manufacturer that does it, it's a man-made material in the walls that can't be damaged by water. It's half the weight, insulates 3 times better, it can't mold. It's a really big deal on some of these, and it's a pretty cool product. You can see it right in the door jamb when you look in one of these things. You can tell real quick if it's a silver piece of tape that's hiding the particle board in the walls, it probably doesn't have Asdel in it. But if you can see that white material in the walls, so you only have 2 materials, that Asdel and the aluminum frame, you're dealing with a little bit better product, especially as far as moisture and water goes. All right, on the outside, you got your outside Bluetooth speakers that you can stream right from your phone, play your music inside, outside, or both at the same time, adjust the volume, skip your track on your phone, just like when you're in your car with your Bluetooth. You have a big power awning on this. It goes over the entire back of the outdoor kitchen too. So if you're back here cooking, you're covered in case it starts to rain a little bit. You have a mini fridge out here. You have a sink with a drain in it. A lot of these sinks don't have drains in them. They're just a basin you got to dump out when they fill out. This one actually has a drain in it. This whole thing slides out and slides back in when you're traveling. You got a nice big utensil drawer in here for all your silverware and different utensils. And you have this just pops right back in real easy with hot and cold water in your sink and the whole bit. And then it comes right back out and pins in. so you can kind of do all your cooking and your cleaning and stuff out here. You have a full walk-on roof on these as well. There's a nice ladder on the back as well, so you can get up and walk on the roof of one of these. That's not always the case. We'll give you a roof inspection for life on anything we sell once a year, so you don't ever have to get up there. But if you want to, you have the option to, and you won't fall through. So that's another option too. There's a bunch of other stuff on this unit I'd like to show you. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis. And like I said, if you want to set up an appointment to come take a look at this, or just when you get here, ask for me, and I'll show you a whole bunch of more stuff on this unit too. Thanks.